Today, you're going to learn how to file taxes when you don't have a traditional job, but you do have investment income. This includes stocks, dividends, interest, or crypto. It's perfect for beginners, students, retirees, stay-at-home parents, or anyone who lived off investments during the year. Before you begin, gather all your tax documents. 1099 DIV for dividends, 1099 INT for interest, 1099B for stock sales, and any crypto transaction history. You'll use these details in the prompts. Start with a full overview using explain how to file taxes when I have no employment income but do have investment income. Here are my details. Insert types of income. This gives you a personalized breakdown of which forms apply to you. Next, organize your investment income using create a summary of my dividends, interest, stock gains or losses, and crypto activity for my tax return. This helps you see your total taxable income clearly. For capital gains, use calculate my short-term and long-term capital gains and losses based on these transactions. This shows which gains are taxed higher and which qualify for lower rates. To check whether you must file, enter. Tell me if my investment income requires me to file a tax return based on IRS rules. If you receive dividends or interest, use summarize my dividend and interest income and explain how it will appear on my tax return. Before filing, check accuracy by using list the most common mistakes people make when filing taxes with only investment income and help me review mine. Finally, stay organized by using create a simple yearly routine to track my investment income so tax filing is easier next season. And that's it. Filing taxes with investment income becomes much easier once your documents and calculations are organized. Use ChatGPT at the beginning to break everything down and at the end to double check accuracy. Comment down below the topics or challenges you want help with so I can show you the right prompts to get the most out of ChatGPT.